Hi, everyone! This video will show you how to fix OneDrive sync pending on Windows 10 or 11 in 4 ways. Fix 1. Pause and resume syncing process. Click on the OneDrive icon from the system tray. Hit Help and Settings in the top right corner. Click on Pause Syncing and then select 2 hours. Open File Explorer. Find the storage path of OneDrive and find its sync folder. Select a file to drag to the desktop. Right-click on the OneDrive icon from the system tray. Select Resume Syncing from the context menu. Fix 2. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Press Win and I to open Windows Settings. In the Settings menu, locate Update and Security and hit it. Go to Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Store Apps, tap on it, and then hit Run the Troubleshooter. Fix 3. Reset OneDrive. Press Win and R to open the Run dialog. Type on screen command and hit OK to start the resetting process. If this command doesn't work for you, run the command on the screen instead. Fix 4. Sync your files with MiniTool ShadowMaker. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker Trial Edition and enter the main interface. Navigate to the sync page. Click on Source. Select the files or folders you want to sync and hit OK. Go to Destination to select Storage Path for the sync task and then hit OK. Hit Sync Now to start the process. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.